Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 10. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. Here, find the equation of the circle which has its center on the line y equal to 2 and which passes through the points 2, 0 and 4, 0. Okay, so here suppose here this one is x-axis and that one equal to y equal to 2. Okay, so you can draw the circle in this way. It's a rough diagram. Suppose here this one is the center, clear, and it's here x comma 2 is the center, and this one you can join this one and like in this way. It's no problem. Okay, so now in that case here you can write down this one here 2 comma 0 and this one here 4 comma 0. Now if you draw a perpendicular line in this way, okay, if you draw a perpendicular line in this way, then here the radius, suppose is this one is a and this one is b, and if this one is o, so definitely you can write down here oa equal to ob. Okay, oa equal to ob, both are the radius, clear. So here you can write down x minus 2 whole square. Okay, the next one here is 2 minus 0 whole square, that one equal to x minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. Now square it's under root, then squaring both sides, the root will be vanished. So here you can write down x minus 2 whole square plus 4, and here also x minus 4 whole square plus 4. Now 4 cancel out. Okay, now here 4 cancel out, and then here after calculation you will get here 4x equal to 12, and from that x equal to 3. Okay, from that x equal to 3. So now here you have to find out the equation of the circle. So here x minus 3 whole square plus the next one here you can write down y minus 2 whole square, and that one equal to r square. R square means here first you have to find out the value of the radius. As you know the value of x equal to 3. So here the value of the radius equal to root 5. So root 5 whole square. So here you can write down x square minus 6x plus 9, here y square minus 4y plus 4, that one equal to 5. Okay, so x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 13 minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, minus 5 equal to 0. Now 13 minus 5, that one equal to 8. So here your final answer x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Now next one, sum number 11. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the points here 2, 3, the next one here 4, 5, and has its center on the line y minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Clear? Okay. So as here center lies on the line y minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So first here let x equal to here h. So if x equal to h, then y equal to 4h minus 3. Okay, then the center, so here the center will be h comma 4h minus 3. Now the distance of the center from 2, 3 and 4, 5 will be equal. So here you can write down this equation, h minus 2 whole square plus 4h minus 3 whole square, that one equal to h minus 4 whole square plus 4h minus 3 minus 5 whole square. Okay, and whenever you solve this equation, then you will get the value of h equal to 2. Clear? So here your center will be 2 comma 5. Okay, as here you let the center this one h comma 4h minus 3. So if h equal to 2, then your center will be h sorry 2 comma 5. So if the center is 2 comma 5, then first find out the radius. So radius equal to root over 2 minus 2 whole square, then here 5 minus 3 whole square, that one equal to 2. Is it clear? Okay, so the equation will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square, that one equal to 2 square. Now solve this equation and you will get your answer. Okay. Now next, sum number 12. In sum number 12, find the equation of the circle passing through the 3 points. So here are total 4 problems. So here I am going to solve only one problems because others are similar problems. So I hope you can solve it. So here the points are 0, 0, second one 0, 1 and third one 2, 3. Okay. So here you know that the what is the standard form of the circle. Okay, so here x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, that one equal to 0. Okay, so this is the standard form of the circle. Now here you have 3 points, it's 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So one by one we put the points. Okay, one by one we put the points in the equation. Clear? So whenever you put 0, 0 in the equation, suppose this one is first equation, so it will be here then c. Okay, then c equal to here 0, because whenever you put down the value of x, that one equal to 0, y equal to 0, then only you get c equal to 0. Now next one, again put down the value 0, 1 in equation number 1. So for the place of x it will be 0, for the place of y it will be 1, then again 0, and here 2f, and you know that c equal to 0. So here 2f equal to minus 1, then f equal to minus half. Okay, 2f equal to minus 1, then f equal to minus half. Now the next one, just put down the value of x and y, 2 and 3. So 2 square means 4, then 3 square means 9. Again here 2 into 2 into 2, so 4g, then here 6f and c equal to 0, that one equal to 0. Now here 4 9 13 plus 4g, here 6 into half, that one equal to 0. So it's 3. So now 13 minus 3, that one equal to 10. So 10 plus 4g equal to 0. So 4g equal to minus 10. That implies g equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, f equal to minus half, c equal to 0 and g equal to minus 5 by 2. Now here just put down the value of g, f and c in the equation number 1, they will get your equation. So x square plus y square, then 2g, so here 2 to cancel out, so minus 5x, here minus half, 2 to cancel out, so minus y, and as c equal to 0, so that one equal to your answer. Okay, this is the equation. Now if you want to find out the center will be 5 by 2 and half. Okay, and you can easily find out the radius. You know the formula to find out the radius, it's very easy, root over g square plus f square plus c. Clear? Okay, so I hope you can solve the others problem. So now the last one, sum number 13. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in sum number 13, so that the points, first one 7 1, second one here minus 2 4, then here 5, sorry, it's 5 5, and after that here 6 4 are concyclic. Okay, also find the equation, center and radius of the circle on which they lie. So here these 4 points are concyclic. Okay, so what we'll do, again first here we have to let the equation of the circle, you know that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, now if the first 3 points, okay, if the first 3 points satisfy the equation, then definitely the fourth one will be also satisfy the equation. So do one thing, first put down the first value. So here 7 1. So if you put down 7 and 1 in this equation, it will be here 49 plus 1, then here 14g, then here it's 2f plus c equal to 0. Okay, so that means here 14g plus 2f plus c, that one equal to minus 50. Okay, that one equal to here minus 50. So put it equation number 1. Now next one, put down minus 2 and 4. So that one will be here 4 plus 16 minus 4g, here 8f plus c equal to 0. So minus 4g plus 8f plus c, that one equal to here minus 20. Okay, put it number 2. Now next 5 5. So here 5 5. So it will be here 25, then again 25, then 10g, then here 10f plus c equal to 0. So here 10g plus 10f plus c, that one equal to minus 50. Okay, that is equation number 3. Okay, now the next thing, here if you subtract, okay, if you subtract the equation number 2, equation number 2 from the, okay, equation number 3, subtract equation number 1 from equation number 3. So it will be here 10g minus 14g, so it will be here minus 4g, 10f minus 2f, so it will be here minus 8f, c minus c cancel out, here minus 50, it will be here 0. Okay, so that means here 4g equal to 8f. Okay, so here g equal to 2f. Is it clear? G equal to here 2f. Now the next one, again if you subtract number 2, equation number 2 from equation number 3, so it will be here 10, it's 14g, then 10 minus 8, it's minus plus 2f, cc cancel out, minus 50, it's 20, so minus 30. Okay, so now divided by 2, 7g, and here, sorry, just do one thing. Here you can do in the place of just write down here 14g, no problem, and in the place of 2f just put down g. Okay, from this here, as g equal to 2f, so that is equal to minus 30. So here 15g equal to minus 30, then g equal to here minus 2, g equal to minus 2, so here f equal to minus 2 by 2, that means minus 1. Okay, now put down the value of g and f in any equation, suppose the second equation, so it will be here minus 4 and minus 2, it's 8, then here minus 8 plus c equal to minus 20, so that means here c equal to minus 20. Okay, c equal to minus 20, g equal to minus 2, and f equal to minus 1. Okay, so here the equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y, and here plus, sorry, it's minus 20, that one equal to 0. Clear? Now what is the fourth point? So here the fourth point here is it's 6 and 4. So just put down the value of 6 and 4 in the left hand side. If it will be 0, that means the 4 points are concyclic. So put down here 36 as 6, then 4 square means 16, then 6 fours are 24, then 4 twos are 8, minus 20, that one equal to 0. Okay, so that one equal to 2, it's 52, and here also, sorry, you have to just put down, you have to just find out the value is 0. So it's also here 52, that means 52 minus 52 equals 0. So that means 6 and 4 satisfy this equation also. Okay, so that means 4 points are concyclic, and if 4 points are concyclic, so here your equation, that is x square plus, sorry, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 20, that one equal to 0. The center is here 2 and 1, it's very easy, 2 comma 1, and here the radius is 5. That is your answer.